Kia ora, Bulamanaka, Maloelei, and welcome to this TSMP update. Firstly, I would like to thank each of you who gave generously in the 2011 OSAM's appeal. Giving has increased by almost 6% and is approaching $900,000. I would also like to express my appreciation to everyone who participated in our recent TSMP survey. We are still processing the survey forms, but early indications have shown that the strategic mission plan is having a positive effect on the territory. This quarterly report will focus on our wide range of social services. To the thousands of staff and volunteers out there, thank you for all you do. You are an important part of our Army. Encouraging a relationship with God is a very important part of our addiction services, and many of our Bridge Centers run recovery fellowships.
Look, we're so excited here at the Bridge program, just being involved in people's lives. People come into us, their lives broken by alcohol and drug addiction, and it's just great seeing them turn their lives around. But the great thing I like is they start to experience what it means to be a spiritual person, what it means to have a faith. And some of them choose to follow the 12 steps and what it means to have a higher power in their lives.
Following the release of our Mission Matters soldiership material, last quarter I reported that 84 soldiers had been enrolled since Easter. I'm pleased to announce that this number is now over 150 and more than double the same period last year. We expect this to only get better with our recent launch of a new DVD-based resource, The Next Step.
Young people are leaders of this generation and the next, so it's vital that we intentionally invest in them. We're excited about The Next Step because it's a 4-part DVD series specifically aimed at the 18 to 25 age bracket and designed to equip young people to live a radical lifestyle as a soldier. We don't just want more soldiers amongst our young people, but we want them to be better informed and enthusiastic about the mission of the Salvation Army and how they can get involved.
Major Campbell Roberts, our Territorial Secretary for Social Program, has news that highlights some of our recent developments.
I'm very proud of an Army which has kept working in Christchurch, providing social and welfare support through the Westpac vans on a daily basis, through 13 people who are working in schools, and through a planned program that includes building some new housing and also providing training for the rebuilding of Christchurch as it commences during next year. Part of what is important for social services is that we're connected internally, for instance, and there's been a good partnership this year between Employment Plus and HomeCare.
This collaboration starts and finishes with the high standard of care that HomeCare want to provide to all Salvation Army clients in their homes. The HomeCare team decided that all staff should be trained and assessed in health sector qualification units. The HomeCare team set about assessing their existing staff, while the Employment Plus team are collaborating to recruit and train all of the new staff starting work with HomeCare.
The government, through the Foreign Affairs, has recently given to the Army $500,000 that we can use on a project in Africa, which we're extremely grateful for. We also need to be in partnership with our communities, and all around the country there are various partnerships, but we've had a really significant partnership developed this year with the very fine university of the University of Otago, and they're going to do research and evaluation work for us. The first of those projects will be an evaluation of their Bridge program, and that will just help us to provide yet an even better service. We've also partnered with World Vision, and we feel very proud to be their partners in the Pacific.
One of the aims of this update is to share ideas. A number of centers have been fighting issues in their local communities, such as Harawa, Puarua, and Tokoroa. The Tokoroa Corps has also recently held their first ever book fair. Not sure what to expect, they ended up with over 50,000 books to sell and had the FPOS machine going flat out for 3 days. Nearly $10,000 was raised, which will all be used to support the local community. These are just some of the highlights, but there's so much more we could have shared. New Zealanders will shortly be asked to vote in the upcoming general election. Over the next few weeks, would you look out for resources from our Social Policy Unit and consider the issues based on what's best for the country and not necessarily yourself. Thank you for all you are doing, and may God bless you.